Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Close background apps so the camera has resources, then open camera and set photo mode. Tap on the subject to focus. Once you see a yellow box, press and hold to lock AE/AF. This locks exposure and focus, preventing the camera from hunting. If you need to remove focus lock quickly, just tap elsewhere once, however, keep holding until you're sure the box appears. Make sure grid is off or on per composition. It won't affect focus lock, but it helps framing. Once AE/AF lock is active, you can prevent the camera from refocusing when you move. Turn off live photos and flash because they can trigger exposure shifts. If you still get unwanted refocus, switch to a third-party app that offers manual focus, then set focus distance and lock it. For video, lock focus before you start recording and avoid moving the phone abruptly. Make sure to tap to relock if lighting changes, otherwise the camera may adapt and change focus finish by testing shots. If focus persists, tap elsewhere to release AE/AF, then retap where you want it. If focus behaves erratically, restart the camera app or reboot the iPhone. Software glitches often clear with a restart, and installing the latest iOS helps. Physically clean the lens and remove any case or accessory that may cover sensors, because smudges or obstructions interfere with autofocus. If problems continue, try manual focus in an app or contact Apple support for hardware diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.